Hello and welcome. In this session, we are going to talk about the difference between the compound and the mixture. How can we differ between them and what are the different properties for each one? Now, the compound is between two or more than two elements connected together. For example, you have NaCl. Now, there is a bond between Na and Cl, a chemical bond between the sodium and the chlorine, which is ionic bond because sodium is metal, chlorine is non-metal, so that's an ionic compound. So the bond between the two elements is ionic bond because it's between metal and non-metal. Another example, if you have CO2, you will find that there is a bond between the carbon and the oxygen like that, here and in the other side also. So there is a chemical bond between the carbon and the oxygen, which is covalent bond, because the carbon is non-metal, the oxygen also is non-metal, so between non-metal and non-metal there is a covalent bond. Now the mixture is different. You have a lot of elements or a lot of different compounds but not chemically bonded. For example, in the air you will find the nitrogen N2, carbon dioxide CO2, and oxygen O2. All of them combined together but not chemically bonded. There is no bond between the nitrogen and the carbon dioxide, and also there is no bond between the oxygen, for example, and the nitrogen. They are separately for each other, so this is what we call it a mixture. And also you can find something like that, helium and H2, hydrogen and helium, but both of them not chemically bonded. There is no bond between the helium and the hydrogen. So this is why we call it a mixture. Now the mixtures consists of three things, okay, which are the solute, the solvent, and the solution. Okay, solute, solvent, and the solutions. Those are the three components of the mixtures. Now, what exactly the difference between them? If we have a glass of water like that, and we put in the glass of water, we put on it a salt, for example. Now, what do you think will happen to the salt? It will dissolve inside the water. It will dissolve. The water becomes the solvent. The solutions becomes the whole mixture here. Okay? So this is the difference between them. The salt, the substance that dissolves inside the water. The solvent, which is the water, the substance that dissolves the solute. The solution is the whole mixtures between the solute and the solvent. This is the three components of the mixtures. Thank you for your watching.